What is up, guys? We're out here in Utah, walking back from this hot spring right now. It's actually my first time at a hot spring. I don't really know too much about them or where they are. Bill here is kind of the expert. He's showing me around, but yeah, got a super special trip planned. Gonna be doing some base jumping. Pretty much been a dream of mine forever, for as long as I can remember at least. It's going to be crazy. Got some paramotor jumps, got some huge antennas. I'm supposed to hit the paramotor jumps tomorrow, but looking like it might be kind of windy, so I think we might go hit the antenna first. Don't really know, just gonna kind of play it by ear. Also, if you don't know what base jumping is, it's basically a combination of cliff jumping and skydiving, which are my two favorite things in the world. So it's basically the ultimate extreme sport. Drove a little far down south. Plan right now is early tomorrow morning we're gonna hit this huge 1,700 foot tower, base jump off of it. But yeah, we're kind of just chilling now, gonna get packed up soon, and then get up really early, head down there, and then send it. Also my first base jump, so that's gonna be a fun time.
As long as you get nice rotations, nice track away, solid.
I'm gonna feel it out on the first one and hopefully get some more in. So gonna get crazy on the next couple ones.
Yeah, dude, it's gonna be wild. We're gonna have a lot of climbing in front of us.
Dude, yeah, climbing up 1,700 feet. Not looking forward to that, but
That's gonna be
actually it's gonna be worth it though.
Yeah, it'll be a nice workout.
Oh yeah. So it's about 5 in the morning, just got up. Sun's already starting to come up. It's feeling super good. There's like nothing out here right now. Kind of a technical landing. Thinking we're gonna try and land right on this road here because we're kind of on like a bunch of mountains right here. So if you land on these, there's like a bunch of rocks, could possibly like break a foot or something. There's a little straightaway here. I want to try and dial it in and get in here. Super stoked, man. I've been wanting to do this for so long. Can't believe it's happening right now. Just like super overwhelmed. I couldn't even sleep. I was just like thinking about it the whole night. Just gonna get in the air, feel it out. About to start climbing up here. Got a little bit of a tailwind, so we're gonna jump off this side of the tower, track out here, open somewhere over here, and try and land on this road. That would be ideal, but yeah, we're gonna get up there. Let's do it.
All right, we're about halfway up, brother.
Halfway,
How you feeling?
dude. Pretty good, man. I'm stoked. Definitely underestimated this climb a little bit, dude.
Yeah.
We can be going for what, like 45 minutes?
I think so.
Ish. Still got halfway.
Another 45 to an hour to get to the top. Let's get it. Blind.
I'll see you at the bottom.
Have a good one, bro.
Yeah.
See you down there, bro.
See you, man.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! All right, Gio. Fucking stomp this, bro. I know you will.
First base jump. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, bro.
Holy shit.
Yes, bro. Good fucking job, dude. I'm so happy you're safe right now.
That was definitely the most fun thing I've ever done. I still can't believe that was even real.
You're standing up there so casual.
Dude, yeah, I went from the very top. Oh, I want to go again. I want to go again so bad. Still taking that all in. That was insane. I was up there for like a couple minutes. It was just a crazy feeling. Like it's like in like 10 seconds I'm either gonna be dead or safe on the ground. It was kind of overwhelming because something I've been dreaming of for so long, but finally got it done. I'm so stoked. Good morning, everybody. We are out here today. We're doing some tandem paramotor base jumps. Finally, we've been trying to do this like the whole trip, but weather's not been cooperative. So today we finally got a nice day and gonna send it. So yeah, let's go check it out.
I can feel I'm changing. I don't know if I'll ever go back. All the ways that you make me build me up on the things I lack. I don't ever wanna lose you now. 'Cause I don't think I'll make it here now. 'Cause it's you and only you. 'Cause it's you and only you. I don't know where the time goes, just flies when I hold you close. In my arms with your eyes closed, for the first time I've got hope. I don't ever wanna lose you now. I don't think I'll make it here now. I don't ever wanna lose you now. I don't think I'll make it here now. 'Cause it's you and only.
Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. Stoked to finally get into base. It's been a dream of mine forever, so super stoked. But flew back to PA, got my car. I'm back in Utah now. Gonna be on the whole West Coast for the next like month or so. Cliff jumping, base jumping, doing tons of crazy stuff. So yeah, go subscribe, turn on post notifications. Got the base rig, got the trampoline. You guys already know it's going down. It's gonna be super sick, so stay tuned for that. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.